Meaning of gunslinger.
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 Gunslinger. The term gunslinger typically refers to a skilled and quick-draw gunman in the Old West or Wild West era of the United States. These individuals were often involved in duels, shootouts, and other violent conflicts. Gunslingers were admired for their marksmanship and bravery, but also feared for their volatility and willingness to use violence. The word has since taken on a broader meaning to describe someone who is highly skilled or accomplished in a particular field, particularly one that involves competition or conflict. Overall, the term connotes a sense of danger, excitement, and mastery.